Hello, everyone. I'm Angelina, and you're watching Express Newswire, which brings you the latest news and trending updates in a fast, clear, and engaging way. Today, we're talking about one of the most buzzing IPOs in India's SME market, Zappfresh. The online meat delivery platform owned by DSM Fresh Foods has made a sizzling debut on the BSE SME exchange. The company's shares opened with a solid 20% premium and quickly hit the upper circuit. Let's break down everything you need to know about this listing, from subscription details to financial performance and what lies ahead for Zappfresh. Zappfresh listed at 120 rupees per share, a strong 20% jump over its issue price of 100 rupees. By 1:20 p.m., the stock had already hit the upper circuit at 126 rupees, up 26% from its issue price, giving the company a total market capitalization of 280.8 crore rupees, around $32 million. That's a pretty juicy debut for a company that had a slightly rocky subscription phase just days earlier. Zappfresh's IPO was open for subscription between September 26th and October 6th, 2025, with a price band of 95 to 100 rupees per share and a minimum investment size of 1.2 lakh rupees. Interestingly, the company extended its IPO closing date from September 30th after initial demand was weak, with only 52% of the issue subscribed by that point. But things turned around quickly. By the final day, the IPO ended up oversubscribed 1.36 times, retail investors 0.96 times, qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, 1.53 times, non-institutional investors, NIIs, 2.06 times. The issue was entirely a fresh issue of 59.06 lakh shares, raising approximately 59.06 crore rupees for the company. So where will this money go? According to Zappfresh, the IPO proceeds will be used strategically for 10.68 crore rupees, capital expenditure 15 crore rupees, marketing activities 25 crore rupees crore, working capital. The remaining funds will be reserved for potential acquisitions and general corporate purposes. Essentially, Zappfresh plans to use this capital to strengthen its operations, expand its brand visibility, and explore new business opportunities. Founded in 2015 by Deepanshu Manchanda, Zappfresh is a farm-to-fork meat delivery brand that sells fresh meat, seafood, and ready-to-cook products through its app and website. The company sources meat and fish directly from local farms, processes them at its facilities, and customizes portions based on customer needs, ensuring freshness and hygiene in every delivery. As per regulatory filings, founder Deepanshu Manchanda currently holds a 27.66% stake in the company. Zappfresh has also attracted major investors like SIDBI, A Ventures, and HT Media, and has raised around $13 million to date, including $4.3 million, 30 crore rupees, in its most recent funding round in November 2023. When it comes to numbers, Zappfresh has been showing steady growth. For the financial year ending March 2025, the company's operating revenue surged 44% to 130.73 crore rupees, while profit nearly doubled to 9.05 crore rupees. This growth reflects rising consumer demand for premium meat and seafood products, along with the company's ability to balance scale and profitability, something rare in India's online grocery and fresh food space. Zappfresh's impressive listing highlights growing investor appetite for profitable digital-first consumer brands. While many startups have struggled post-listing, Zappfresh's fundamentals, profitability, clear demand base, and efficient supply chain seem to have struck the right chord with the market. Going forward, analysts believe the company could leverage its strong brand trust, expand into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, and possibly enter new product categories within the fresh and ready-to-eat segment. However, the company will need to stay cautious about maintaining margins and managing competition from giants like Licious and Fresh to Home. So, to wrap it up, Zappfresh's IPO listing is a strong start for the online meat delivery brand, signaling market confidence in its long-term growth potential. From extending IPO dates due to low demand to now hitting the upper circuit, it's been quite a turnaround story. This video is based on publicly available information and financial reports. Some investors mentioned may have interests in related companies, but this does not influence our reporting or analysis. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on IPO listings, startup stories, and financial market trends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. I'm Angelina with Express Newswire, and I'll see you in the next news update.